It is no surprise why Arizona continues to be one of the most desirable states people relocate to.
And this home is one of the reasons why the Stance is one of the most sought-out neighborhoods in Peoria, Arizona.
This beautiful home was recently built in 2022 and is shy of 3,000 square feet. Offers a spacious open floor plan, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and nearly $200,000 in upgrades, and even features a Tesla charger for all you Tesla drivers.
Walking distance to the community center that features volleyball courts, basketball, playground area, yoga area, and a heated pool. The home is also close to tons of walking trails and golf courses. And if you're lucky, you get to see wild donkeys.
So don't miss your chance to own this $1 million home. Share this video and give us a call today.